Hi, I'm just going to go over the HR and compensation stuff. And the video is going to be here. Um, there's going to be like different contract agreements for different people, so I'm not going to put anything in there. But when you when you do receive the info, it's going to be up here in a video and an attachment on that section there. The next, let me see what's going on here. Okay, the next one is some of the HR stuff. I put an operations manual in here. The file is there. If you just want to read through it, it's just I've adapted it from a real estate office I used to work in to our needs, but a lot of some of the stuff in there is redundant at the bottom, but it's basically the core values and some of the stuff as far as the team member stuff in there is really good. I just checked that out. The main thing I wanted to talk about is requirements. And so basically, when we talked in the interview, I suggested we have you have a reliable vehicle, a cell phone number. I want to suggest you get a Google Voice number. That's always handy to send everybody to, and then you can forward that to your cell phone. So that means everybody doesn't have your cell phone number, because the last thing you need to do is have people calling your cell phone in the middle of the night when you're trying to have dinner or something. So I also say, a camera phone. Once we get going, once we get these properties under contract, we definitely will send somebody out, either me or someone else, to go and take a video of the property and the camera shots. And I've got all that stuff, but if you've got a camera, it's always handy to, take a good 10 photographs when you're there. Try and get some good photos so we can start marketing it straight away once it's under contract. And obviously, everybody needs a computer with email access. Talking of email access, I suggest you set up a Gmail account with something like, Tom Cashbuyer at Gmail, something along those lines. And then when you do that, you'll have a Google Drive, which is basically a hard drive online that Google look after. And it makes it easy for us all share files. And then a Google Plus setup, you can use that for marketing and stuff like that. So that's the basic requirements. Every now and again we might add something that we all use. Mobile access is pretty good. If you're, I like to work at home in the morning, then I'm out in the afternoon, but a lot of the time I need access to some files and stuff. So if you've got the mobile capability as far as, an iPad or a laptop where you can connect to the internet when you're out in properties, that's always handy as well. Okay. Then insurance requirements. This is just a link here that takes you to a shopping page for liability insurance. We'll obviously get into that later on. And then, some tax information is along here on these links. And then the W-9 form, I need everybody to fill that out if you can, and send back that so that when I do compensate you, at the end of the year, I can send you a 1099 and go from there. Okay, and that's the requirements for right now. And obviously, I'm going to update this every now and again, and when I do, I'll send you a link to an update. Okay, thank you.